Hello everyone. So if you purchased a Yardmachines mower, this is particularly a 550EX model. It does not have a choke primer on it. Essentially, I used it twice at the end of the summer and I put it away. I didn't do anything to the gas. It just sat there and I have not been able to get it started. However, first thing I try to do is empty the gas, and I wasn't really sure how to do that, so I literally opened the cap and turned the mower upside down and let it pour out. This did not work. What I did was spray choke or carb cleaner into the carb hole, and basically if you spray it in there, the mower will start for a couple seconds, and if you continue spraying it, it will keep going as the carb cleaner basically is used as fuel. But as soon as it died, or it ran out of the carb cleaner, it would die immediately. It kind of seemed there was still something left, maybe more old fuel. And to take this apart, all you do is, the filter is below the cap, which you just pull out, and the cap is the only thing that keeps it on, which simply just clips on. So it's literally a simple thing. Then what I tried to do is I undid the hose here that goes to the carb for the fuel, and a little bit more fuel came out, but it still didn't start. Then I noticed, it's pretty hard to see, but there's a little drainage hole right there below the carb. Basically the kind of tool you need is something like this to remove it. The size that worked for me was 3/8, although 3/8 was a tiny bit too small, but it still worked perfectly fine. At the bottom of this is essentially a simple nut, and you just turn it once. It doesn't, you need to twist it many times. It just pops out, all the fuel comes out, and you pop it back in, and it's quite easy to do. After this, once all the fuel actually left, because it turned out there was much more than I kind of anticipated left in all the channels and everything. But as soon as I did this, I sprayed some more carb cleaner, gave it a pull, and it started right up. And ever since then, it starts up in one pull.